Hello everyone, it's Lily here with another quick tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix an unexpected error occurred on Facebook. It's simple and quick, so let's get started right away. The very first thing you'll want to do is make absolutely sure your application is completely updated. Just go to the Google Play Store and tap on the top search bar over here, then type Facebook into the search bar. And then press search. Then, to the right of Facebook, it will just show open or update. If it shows open, it means that you are using the latest version of the Facebook app. If it says update, your application needs to be updated. Go ahead and update your app. The whole point of this is that new updates fix issues, and the problem might be a bug. If that doesn't work, the next step is to uninstall the app and then reinstall it. It's important to start fresh if updating doesn't fix the issue. To do just that, simply press this uninstall button over here, and then, once it's uninstalled, you can go ahead and install it once again. In just about all situations, this resolves the problem. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.